Today we're going to learn
alphabet
sound puzzle, Melissa and Dog.
and fun dog.
Ooh,
Push it.
what's that?
Shit. Push
Shit.
it. Push it.
Push shit.
Lion.
Okay. What is that?
Fire truck.
A fire truck.
Put the fire.
Put out the fire. You're right. Put out the fire. And then, what's that? Ambulance. No picking those. No picking. Accident will happen. Oh, there's an accident. And then the ambulance coming to help.
Airplane.
Airplane.
Daddy, apple.
Yeah. Drive a car.
Baby.
Yay.
Train.
Train. Good job.
No track.
No track. Oh no, there's no track. It's okay. It's only a puzzle. Next.
Magical.
Motorcycle. You're funny. How about the other one? Okay, let's show me, mommy. Show this one. Show the kids about their puzzle. Okay.
Shit.
Shit.
Push it.
Bruce, shit.
Lion.
Ryan, okay. Ambulance. Accident happened. Okay, what's next? Helicopter.
But Peter did the boat.
Why?
Find the boat in the moon.
No, it didn't go to the moon. It only fly, but not fly higher and higher, not going to the moon.
Sorry.
Sorry, yeah. Only the space shuttle go to the moon.
A pencil on the moon.
Mm-hmm. What's that?
Tour.
A car.
Bye. Bye-bye, Josh.
Mm-hmm. What's next?
Train.
A train.
A track.
No track. Oh
Train bunny. Uh-oh, no track. Airport.
no. It's not an airplane.
It's magical. Airport. That airport. No more.
New sound. There you go.
What's up?
A fire truck. Or
Fire.
without the fire. Yeah, there's another name for the one. Fire engine.
What's up? Baby.
Again? How about the other? Thanks for watching.